Welcome to our channel. Today we how to reset your shipping preferences with UPS detailed guide step by step clearly. To reset your shipping preferences with UPS, start by visiting the UPS website. Log into your UPS account using your username and password. If you don't have an account, click on the sign up button to create one. Once logged in, navigate to the profile section in the top menu. In the Profile section, select Shipping Preferences from the drop-down menu. Here, you will see a list of your current shipping preferences. Carefully review each setting to identify what needs to be reset. To reset a specific preference, click the Edit button next to that option. Make the desired changes in the designated fields. For instance, you can update your default shipping method or delivery options. After making your changes, remember to click the Save button. If you wish to reset all preferences to default, look for the Reset to Default option. Confirm your choice when prompted to restore all settings. Once you have saved your changes, return to the main profile page. Check to ensure that your updated preferences are correctly displayed. For additional adjustments, repeat the editing process as needed. If you encounter any issues, visit the UPS Help Center for troubleshooting. Finally, log out of your account to complete the process. You have now successfully reset your shipping preferences with UPS. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.